Hi guys. Uy, lapok. I'm going to the market alone. Wala si Bibi kasi andun siya sa kanyang daddy. Iga-grind ko lang tong mais guys para may ugali. So, it's around 2 p.m. na ata dito. Magra-ride ako ng Buda-Buda. So, hanap ako ng Buda-Buda. Ah, siguro Buda-Buda. No, may sakay. Sintay ako dito. So, may Buda-Buda na. Oh, run. Market, Pushomel. Yeah. Okay. Just decide. But, feeling ako ngayon guys, single. So, parang hindi ako nasanay na wala si Bibi sa dibdib ko. Magpapagas pa pala kami dito guys. HD Energy. So, yung gas dito ay nasa mga 182 Kenyan shilling. Yung price niya guys nasa 181.99. Yes. May mga bata dito na mga damit. Tingnan ko mamaya yan. Dito may bagong open guys. So, madami na mga tindahan dito. Yes, just here. So, dito ako pagagaling ng mais. Wait. Bayad muna tayo. Sante. May madaming nagtitinda dito guys. Pero kagahapon lang ata yung market day dito pero meron pa din. Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me do it like this. Ano natin siya.
Take this.
Okay.
How is the day?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Appendi. Quindi fino in garata mangiare. Allora katawan mo dito ni katay. O pwede pwede. Dito tira application. O ini ngalinganya kasi mo na. Nyaka boni ngo. Ekide. Kaporo o doni Ini bocil dengan itu dengan mengel. Tapi mungkin kalau kan itu itu ini kita. Jadi yo kene mabuti. Kalau ini bocil kita, kita juga mabaya. Yule bocil ni nada dai. Yule mabaya. Kalau ini mau kita ada contoh.
It's okay? It's okay? Okay. So, ganito pala dito, guys. Ano siya, guys? One pen is 15 Indian shilling. This is 110.
Ini one.
Oh, I see. It's small.
Nini ngapi? How much? Weka how?
I use the small like this. I thought,
Small like
yeah,
this.
yeah, not like that.
Ni 14.
Something,
Na hii ni nini? Hii.
It's a mic.
Oh, microphone.
Yeah.
We have to.
Asante. So, yeah, we have ugali now.
Okay.
This is how they called ugali.
Ugali.
Yeah, flour.
Na kisumu called.
Eh?
Kisumu called.
Sungo.
Ugali. Called.
Corn. We called it tik tik.
Bye.
Okay, so bye. So I go now to buy charcoal this side, guys. So ang dami pang nagtitinda dito. Kapon ata yung market day. Friday ngayon, guys. So i-fish ko mula sa akin na baka kasi maiba kasi guys na ayaw nila sa video. Gamay na lang din aninda diri oh. So this side I buy we have t-shirts here. Okay. So this side guys I buy charcoal because I want to cook that mungus. Give me charcoal. How much? Something 50 bob. The that one? This one. 350, 300. 300. This one. Okay. This big. Okay, give me the big. I put for you this. Come. This is good. This is good. Okay. Good. So good. All right. Huh? Baby is in the house with his dada. Yeah. It's a guy. Yeah. Not much. She's a happy girl. Yeah. Bella. Yeah. Mm, admin. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, only one. 300. Okay. Sante. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. So, nakabili na ako ng ano guys. Uling at saka ugali. Napagaling ako ng ugali. So, may nagtitinda dito ng ukay-ukay. Sante. May withdraw cash guys. Sinahutdan. Na binili ko kasi yung ano, may binili akong damit ni Bibi. So, nag-withdraw na lang ako. Dress siya. Kaya, sante. Ito guys, binili ko. 100 Kenyan shilling o 100 peso. Okay. Umiinit yung phone ko guys. Nagre-record ako, biglang nawala. So, going home na siguro. Ride ako ng Buda-Buda. Ay, bakit diri ay. So, bit display. They are looking what I'm doing. Ay, sakit akong kamot. Bigat eh. Nagtitinda din dito. Uwi muna ako guys. May pupuntahan sana ako doon. Yung may damit, pero vernish pa lang ayun. Ano ako, mamadali. Kasi magluluto pa. Ay, bibili pala ako ng ano. Wait, I check here. This side. Yeah! Check something here. Ito ako guys, bili ako ng diaper ni Bibi. So, naghihintay ako kung may stock ba. Ito na yung dala ko, oh. Uling, ugali, tsaka yung nabili kong ano, doon. It's 2:23. Ganito pa yung kamingaw diri Basta udto paggabiin na sila ano guys. Busy na dito pag ano na hapon. Hindi kaya yun umiyak si Bibi. Hindi siguro kasi hindi naman tumatawag. Andyan. Is large only. It's large only. It's only large.
Angalia huyu kuka yetu mwingine. Sasa mimi.
Okay.
Anahitaji?
Pan noodles nila dito 45 Kenyan shilling. Oil. Ah, they have rice here, but long grain. I don't want it long grain. Ito naman, 160. 160. Bili pala ako ng rice, guys. Naubusan. Hindi, siguro ito na lang. Maganda kaya ito. Ano? Buy outside. What is this? Ah, sa pencil. Pauwi na ako, guys. No, continue. Just karating na ako, guys. Ay. Yag. She's not crying. What are you eating, my dear?
Hi guys. Ang lakas na naman ng ulan.
Nagsusog ba ako ng talong, guys? And then after this, I will cook this sweet potato. I'm done with the munggo or green grams. Nadami ko yung sabaw, guys, ay green grams. So yung ibang ito yung ibang green grams, guys, gawan ko ng sprouts. So ay tauge, you see. Yeah, guys, nag-ano siya ng refrigerator. Bumili siya ng refrigerator. Yan, ito ay need to pilo this one. To fold this one, guys. Ang dami ko pang gagawin. Bakit asan pa si daddy? Ba't ano? Siguro may ano pa, binili pa siyang isa or ano ba? Wala na pala. Oh. He put something. Huh? Wow, I have rice there. 2 kg of rice. That is good. Here is a blender, guys. He put blender. Is a blender there. Eh, ito yung, this is the rice I like guys from Tanzania. So let me check my first. You bought Glenda? Huh? Armco. This Armco is good quality. With grinder milk, this is good. It's 5,000 Kenyan shilling. It's almost 3,000 or 2,500 peso. Wow, this is good for juices. What is this? What is this? Power protection against voltage fluctuation. Oh, this is for protection for not mag-burn out. And this is Bella! Say hi, guys! Nagluluto muna ako, guys. Ako ng tortang talong. Tapos itong moronggos. We're here in the hospital, guys, visiting Mama and Papa because they are admitting here. They are sick. So this is the hospital my husband work here as an hospital administrator. So they are here. Oh, they are. It's Papa here. So punta kami kay Mama. May ano sila dito, guys. So sa labas may tubig. Tapos ito yung room dito. Where is Mama? He's not here. This side. Okay. So dito daw. So kamama na naman. So ito yung toilet dito, guys. Malinis. So there is one toilet here. And one sink. And this is the room with a TV. With nice seat. Wow. Ay. Where is Mama? Mama is sleeping. How are you, Mama? Oh, she feel cold. She don't have jacket.
Okay. Okay.
So they have TV here. They have one bed for watcher. Where's the cup? This is good. I mean the room. Yeah. It's full.
You can add a cold.
Where is the coat? It's hot, too hot. What you say? Hey, Mama Bell.
why? Why is that? Alone? No. That guy. Mwakile? Mwakile? We go home now guys because Bella really cried na siguro.
Mano, yung buti ka na. Wajah nga kiwan na kita.
Yeah. That's why it's cold because it's open. How to use them? It's cold. Wait. Uy. Saan na yung isa? Okay. Uwi na kami. We'll go home na guys. Doon yung ano. So, dito yung room niya guys. Oh, this is the yan, dyan. Dito yung office niya. So, you're cleaning.
You are going.
Yeah.
Hiya, good night.
Good night. Try ko guys. 69. Nice, yeah. New Global Medicare Hospital Consultation Room. How? Oh, 65. You need to add some oh, it's nice. Oh. Yeah, also pharmacy here. Yes. They have a TV. Sorry po eh. Is gate na. Going home na. It's 9:20 p.m. now. May kasama kaming isa guys, yung parang taga bodyguard. Bernard bodyguard. Daming mga sasakyan na malalaki guys gabi. Kami makatabi. May isa kami kasama. Bodyguard daw niya. That one is just a Buddha. You will not die. Kini akong bana no murag bayot. Hadlukan batalawan. Nagsasama pa ng ano. It's okay. We're here now. Bella not cry. Hi. She's still awake. Pala guys, bodyguard pala yun sa pinsan ni Bella. Para may kasama pa punta doon. Okay. I thought that it's you to be escort. Not. Look at me, guys. I know how to stand na, to balance. Huh? Say hi, guys. Your medyas, your sock is not fair. Huh? Stand again, stand. Stand again. Eat first, eat. Stand again. Again. Up. Balance. Oh, slowly. Up. Yay! Say hi, guys. Clap your hands. Clap. Oi. Clap your hands. Clap. Clap your hands. She's always standing. Huh? Eat first.